So how to use the app for the speaker Anker Soundcore 2S. So if you are on Android, you go to Google Play and you install the app called Soundcore. So this is the app. First you need to pair the speaker by Bluetooth. So as you can see, it's paired and connected. And then when you start the app, you won't see it here. You won't see the speaker added here. You need to click on add device. It will start to search and it will just find the speaker and it will appear here. And to manage the settings, you just click on the speaker, and from here you can change the volume. You can turn on and off the bass app, similar to pressing the button from here, and you can play with the settings, the equalizer. If you click here, you can just set up some custom levels, and if they remain like this, now the speaker works with these settings. To go to the default one, just click on this one, balanced. And other than that, if you click on this setting button, you can also set the auto power off, 20 minutes in my case. And also, if you want to disable the sounds when you turn off and on the speaker, you can just untick here speaker prompts. So when I turn it off, it won't make any kind of sound. So this is how the app looks, and this is how it works. When you After you install it, in some cases it will ask you to create an account and for Anchor, but it's just very easy to set up. All right, I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe and thank you for watching.